up, everybody? Sorry that my video's been slacking off, but anyway, we are in Pennsylvania, going up there to Connecticut. So we're taking a 2-hour break in Pennsylvania, going to Connecticut. Here's what I see: getting dark, and the truck stop is full. So I'm going to the shipper. Yeah, I'm going to the shipper. See, hang on for a minute. See, we got an hour and 13 minutes. So we gotta, I'm in a sleeper now because I'll just sit here. Ate some a sub that I bought, and then I'm just chilling out until that clock says I'm ready to drive. I believe we got, according to the GPS, and that's about right, 5 hours and 24 minutes to Massachusetts. So we'll stay in touch. Well, good morning to you guys. I just woke up at the shipper not too long ago, so we're gonna get this day started. I'm gonna brush my teeth, and since I always go to the shipper and then I take my shower on the way up here, like 30-minute break or something. But anyway, you don't have no running water in your truck, then you gotta stay up. You gotta stay good and clean, your teeth brushed and everything else. So we'll get back to you when I get my teeth brushed and put my other teeth in and stuff like that. So yeah, we'll get back. What is up, people? How's everybody doing today? I'm doing all right. I'm getting loaded now, so I'm in the sleeper, just stretching out. I gotta run from this storm, this big storm that's coming in the northeast, coming across the Midwest right now. So I need to get down south before we hit this sucker, or before it catches up with us. So I'm over here in Massachusetts, still on the east side of the state, and going down south when they get this loaded. Maybe I would can drive to maybe I need to drive to Martinsburg, West Virginia is where I'm gonna try to drive tonight, and then maybe I won't hit, but just the tail end of it. But so yeah, that's about basically all I'm doing right now. Ate lunch, a sub. Let's see, I don't know, that's about it. So anyway, just trying to get a video together for you so y'all don't have to wait. But there's more educational videos that I'm gonna do. Got a couple in my mind, talk about stuff, and talk about 2 topics that I've heard people talk about, is leasing and company, which I'm company. I don't, I've been driving for 7 years, but all that is company. Why I do not lease, or why do I don't want to lease, or whatever you want to call it. And if you can make money running regional northeast like I do. So I'll keep them. I'm gonna shoot them videos and everything else, but we'll see you when we get down there to about midday. This is afternoon, but we'll see you later. What's up, guys? Here's my little pot that I was telling you about once before. Yeah, I'm gonna heat up water and eat them, but it's heating it up. It's gonna heat up. Everybody says theirs broke in like 2 months, but mine is alright. I don't use it all the time, but when I need to heat up water for coffee or something like that, then that's what I heat it up in. because it normally takes, I'm gonna have to do about an hour heating up this hot enough to pour in one of them and let that stand for a couple minutes. But everybody's saying that you know, theirs broke. Mine ain't broke. See, I don't know what breaks on these things, but mine, as you can tell, is good. And right there and right here is where I keep it at, right there. So I don't know. People says that it breaks. So if you have a comment, leave it in the below and tell me what breaks on these things, because I want to know, because you know, so I can buy another one. But like I said, I don't use it all the time because I got the microwave up there and this right here, and heat up water to put. This is a quick like midday meal. So I just heat it right here. I mean, heat it up and pour it in here. So we'll keep you posted. Oh, I'm in New York, almost out of the Northeast. I'm in New York at this tech stop is what they call it. So we'll keep you posted. What is up, guys? I hope y'all having a good, better day than I am. Look at this. What is that? Hang on. You can barely see it. Do you see that white stuff falling out from the sky? Do you see my mirrors? It's accumulating everywhere. Accumulating everywhere. Anyway, yeah, we get stuck in this, I believe, stuck in a snowstorm, Pennsylvania. I'm getting ready to go to bed. It's kind of cold. But anyway, I'm getting ready to go to bed, and they got some restrictions out. 45 mile an hour. You can't have an empty trailer, and you cannot pull doubles, and you cannot recreational vehicles, motorcycles, and I don't know why anybody would do this in a motorcycle, but anyway, yeah, it is snowing really, really bad now. It's sticking to my everything. So, well, we up there in New York, I mean, New England, they was getting, they was gonna get hammered too. But, yeah, I hope that it is, it's fine powdery snow, but I hope, see, now you can see it is coming down really fast. I don't know, man, I don't know. But, we got plenty of food and everything else, and I don't know. I hope it goes past, but because tomorrow is I got 7 hours and 45 minutes to drive, and tomorrow is probably going to take all that. We got 500 miles. I mean, it'd probably take me more time. We got 500 miles to go. 500 miles. What in the world? So yeah, we'll check back in with you in the morning, because I'm at the rest area, and I believe I'm going to stay here. I have to, because I don't have no more time on my logbook. Look at that, piling up, man. Gotta shut the door. It's piling up on my step. I'm scared. Nah. Well, I actually am kind of scared, because I don't know what tomorrow's going to bring. Get stuck at this rest area, then I don't know. You know what I mean? So we got to. It's the blizzard. We're gonna call this 2017 blizzard. But it's yeah, it's kind of I don't know, kind of pouring out snow now. It's crazy. But anyway, well, I'm gonna get back there and go to bed. We'll check back with you in the morning. All these other trucks that's beside me, they gonna be stuck like I am. So peace out, like, subscribe, subscribe, share, and comment down below. And follow me on Facebook, because when I get a lot of people on Facebook, I'm going to do some live videos on my Trucking with Brandon Facebook page. I'm going to do live videos, you know, not all the time, but every once in a while. So, it's scary. No, I'm not scared, but it's like a fine powdery snow. But yeah, so like, subscribe. See you later. See you in the morning. Bye.